It's okay. Okay, you tell me. Yeah. Red light.
The red light
Yeah.
is to help our blood to run better or faster, and to sometimes our blood is too slow, and we will feel too tired or can't sleep. If the blood will
Flow.
better, you can faster, and sometimes you can sleep better and feel good. How to say? Sometimes we do the sport.
Yeah.
The slow one.
Jogging.
Yeah, you can keep your body to good. But sorry, I don't know how to
It's
say.
okay. Yeah, like this light.
The one I like to do this one.
Okay,
To
massage.
massage.
Yeah.
The feel is the head is for the head to do this one. 10 minutes to do.
Hand massage.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can feel better, not tired, and sleep better.
Okay.
So I don't know how to say.
Okay.
你坐翻呢個。
買嚟散煲喎。
買咗咩啊？香港買
60蚊喎，4樣60蚊喎。呢啲咧又散，如果煲燶咗咧，要散煲喎。呢一個咧就容易散煲或者洗手盤啊嗰啲。我話洗唔洗得㗎？佢話唔會拉到。
不鏽鋼嗰啲唔得㗎，係咪啊？不鏽鋼唔得㗎咩？
呢啲咧，如果煲嘢煲燶個煲咧，要嚟散啊。
但不鏽鋼嗰啲但係嗰啲熱鐵鑊唔得㗎喎。熱鐵鑊唔好用喎。
我唔係用嗰啲，我用嗰啲
ये ट्राई कर रही हूँ ये वाली
單鐵鑊㗎，我唔係用熱鐵鑊㗎。
單鐵鑊。
我唔係用。
So this machine for free if they are over 65, yeah?
90 days.
90 day free.
Yeah.
Okay.
If under 65 is 50 days.
30 days.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. अच्छा 65 से एंड सुपर से जो है उनके लिए फिर 3 महीने का फ्री है, आके ट्राई करें.
The red light is this one.
Yeah, infra red light.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one very good for flow your blood.
Yeah.
मुझे खुद इतनी साइंस इंग्लिश नहीं आती. For blood circulation. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yes. No, it's very good. You can speak English. Mine English also not very well because it's a second language for me. I have another language, you know.
Yeah, okay.
So this new shop, I never saw this shop before.
About 2 years.
Oh,
About
2 years.
And the company is 10 years ago.
Oh, okay.
You can see
So it's expanding or because you have so many shops.
Yeah.
So before it's maybe 1 or 2 places, now expand in many places.
You use the hat?
No.
Sorry.
I say you have so many places shop.
Yes.
So it's 2 years ago you opened all shop.
Yeah, about 3 years. About 3 years. 27 shops.
Oh, that's good. 3 साल हुए हैं यहाँ पे ओपन किए हैं दुकान.
I think this one is near than you commenting.
Okay, I will check. You give me this leaflet. I will check if because I live in Shamshiko around area. Yeah. So we walk is very near. It's very near. This one. We walk.
We walk. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very near.
Yeah.
It's Namchung.
Sure.
Okay. ये भी वॉक एरिया कितने पे यार